Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's shaping the way we move around. The future of transportation, self-driving cars and beyond. I'm your host, Rajesh Regmi, and together, we'll explore the incredible advancements and potential changes that lie ahead. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Let's get started. We've all experienced the frustration of sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic. But what if I told you that self-driving cars could revolutionize the way we commute and travel? Imagine a world where traffic jams become a thing of the past. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic dream, are rapidly becoming a reality. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are at the forefront of this innovation, developing autonomous vehicles that could potentially reduce accidents and provide greater accessibility for people with disabilities. Safety is a top priority in this transition. Self-driving cars rely on advanced sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to navigate, making split-second decisions based on real-time data. Studies have shown that autonomous vehicles have the potential to significantly reduce human errors, which are responsible for the majority of accidents on our roads today. So, what are the benefits of self-driving cars beyond safety? Well, for starters, they could lead to more efficient use of roadways. Autonomous vehicles communicate with each other, optimizing traffic flow and minimizing congestion. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. Picture yourself reading, working, or even catching up on sleep during your daily commute. With self-driving cars, you'll have more time for activities you actually enjoy. Of course, as with any technological leap, there are challenges to overcome. Urban infrastructure needs to be adapted to accommodate these vehicles, and legal and ethical questions about liability in case of accidents need to be addressed. And it's not just about cars. The future of transportation extends beyond our roads. We're seeing the emergence of autonomous delivery drones and even flying taxis, promising faster and more efficient ways to transport goods and people. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of the Hyperloop? This high-speed transportation system could revolutionize long-distance travel, propelling passengers through vacuum tubes at incredible speeds. And let's not forget about sustainable public transportation. Electric buses, smart trains, and bike-sharing programs are all part of the bigger picture in creating eco-friendly and efficient urban mobility solutions. So, there you have it. The future of transportation, self-driving cars and beyond. As we've seen, self-driving cars are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to reshaping how we move. The possibilities are endless, and we're excited to be on this journey of innovation together. If you enjoyed this video and are as excited about the future of transportation as we are, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more thought-provoking content right here on our channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Safe travels, everyone.